Nurbalkis binti Zaini, and for today's activity 20, Pitching Practice 3, I would like to convince you guys on why we should choose app developer as our future career. Every new generation brings a new set of challenges and issues for workers and hiring managers to tackle if they want their companies to stick around for years to come. In 2018, jobs are shifting more towards AI technology. Managers are struggling to oversee multi-locational teams, and both millennial and baby boomers are stumbling to communicate effectively. Clearly, today's modern workforce is faced with a unique set of hurdles for both employees and employers, and it's up for us to learn how to navigate them if we want to keep moving forward in our careers. So we turn to the expert to lessen our workplace worries. Well, for the app developers, they are the architects of tech world. They design and build the foundation of our day-to-day digital lives, from work processes and games to online calendars and mobile to-do lists. Whether you are programming apps for the web or for a smartphone, this career path offers exciting growth, success, and creative opportunities. As what people say, we do what we love for people who love what we do. The first reason on why you should choose app developer as your career is that you have so much career flexibility. Speaking of job types, app development paves the way for incredible variety in your career. Don't want to work for one company your whole life? You don't have to. Want to travel the world for a year while getting paid? Just get some contract skills and work remotely. Want to live in your favorite city and have a consistent routine? Then consider applying to be a mobile application developer in a large tech company. You can have so many different job types and routine as an app developer because it's a job that can be done mostly remotely. Not to mention, the skill you master can even give you the freedom to start your own company, whether you want to be your own boss or just mastering coding. For beginners or are looking for great benefits like free food and net pots, at a tech giant, the world of app development is truly your oyster. Next, there's day-to-day versatility. If you are the type of persons who get bored doing the same thing every day, this career may be perfect for you. Why? Because app development is a lot like baking. Similar to bakers, app developer has an app development process they follow when approaching each project. They have to plan their app using pseudocode, which the bakers have to prep their pans, and then they have to use functions, commands, and libraries to write a script, like bakers prepare a batter using ingredients from the pantry. They have to continuously test their codes to ensure it runs, like bakers need to check the temperature and texture of their bakes frequently. However, for bakers, these somewhat mundane tasks are given a daily twist with each new assignment, whether it's a princess theme, an elaborate fondant, sculpture, or complex sugar arts. The same goes for app developers. For a successful Android developer, every project presents a fun new challenge that requires them to stretch their creativity and problem-solving skills to the next level. Whether it's integrating machine learning into a chat box or creating an interactive interface that changes based on the user's facial expression. Whatever these new tasks may be, they keep your day-to-day fresh. Next, you get to work on your own time. Just like your office space is under your control as an app developer, so are your work hours. Many freelance, contract, and even full-time mobile and web programmers get to make their own schedules. Why? Because app development isn't about putting in the hours, it's about finishing projects. And whether that happens in sporadic coding bursts during the day or in a consistent 8-hour block, as long as you meet your deadlines, you can work on your own time. Lastly, it is accessible. After hearing all the exciting perks of becoming an app developer, you may start to worry that a career this good is incredibly difficult to get into. Thanks to the massive demand, this isn't the case. In fact, one of the best perks of app development is just how accessible it is. Even though some tech companies in the field require college degrees, most will only care about one thing from their applicants: their skills. If you can learn to code, you can become an app developer. Simple as that. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, as app developer is on a high demand, choose it as your career. It brings a lot of benefit and flexibility in life. Remember, we do what we love for people who love what we do. That's all from me. Thank you and stay safe.